Make a scatterplot for the given data. Use the scatterplot to describe whether or not the variables appear to be related. We'll start by going to Stat and edit a list. So hit 1 or you can hit Enter. If there's data already in your list, we need to clear it. We can use the arrow key to go up to L1 and hit Clear. Notice nothing happens, but when you press down, the data has been cleared. Now we'll type in the numbers. 1, enter, 6, enter, 4, 3, 7, and 2. We can use the cursor to jump over to the L2 and type in the Y's. After you type them in, always double check, make sure you don't have a typo. It can sometimes be easy to misclick. After you check, we can exit hitting second mode or second quit. We'll go back to the home screen. And now we can go to y equals. If you have anything in y equals, clear it first. And we want to go up to plot 1. So use the arrow to go up to plot 1 and hit enter. This will cut plot 1 on. Next we can go to Scatterplot. Second y equals will take us there. Notice that plot 1 has been turned on. Let's go in by hitting enter and make sure it's edited the way we want it to be. Notice it's giving us a scatter plot. We have options, but we're looking for the scatter plot. That's there by default. Also by default, it's pulling from L1 and L2. Make sure that is the case for your calculators. If not, we can edit those by plugging in L1 and L2 down here. To get to those, you hit second and 1 or second and 2. And we have options for the tick marks. I'm just going to use the default and blue. If you hit graph, you can see that mine is visible, but if we want to see a better zoomed in version, we can hit zoom and 9. That's zoom stat. That will zoom into the data specifically to that window. And it looks like the data is somewhat related. It's not a strong correlation, but it looks like as X gets bigger, the graph is starting to increase. So as X grows, so does Y. So here we can say that the data is related.